Welcome to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank that brings you market views and insights on the go.
Welcome to Cut to the Chase. This is Monday, the 28th of November. I'm Daniel Lam, your host for the podcast. My baby is very excited about Christmas. He's been asking me to keep looping this Christmas song from the CD that his school had given us. Of course, Christmas is a very important consumption period for many regions. But in such a high inflationary environment, how strong will consumption be for this year? And what does that mean for asset classes? For the sake of today's podcast, let us concentrate upon the US. Now, on the surface, US retail sales numbers have remained strong. However, selected data is starting to point to a slowdown. For example, auto and credit card delinquencies for subprime consumers began to deteriorate at the start of the year, with lower income consumers taking up second jobs and burning through their stimulus checks. Meanwhile, the Q3 company earnings calls indicated that consumers are choosing smaller items, value packs, and less expensive brands. Electronics and appliance sales have been falling for 6 consecutive months, while sales of sporting goods have been falling for the last 2 months. As borrowing costs continue to rise, we believe US consumption next year is likely to be impacted, resulting in a negative feedback loop to company earnings and ultimately to US equities. So last week, we mentioned that the S&P 500 index has broken above the 2-month high post the most recent and dovish FOMC minutes. However, it is facing significant technical resistance at the gap level between 4037 and 4119. It is also very close to the 200-day moving average around 4067. This, together with equities' rapid rise since the middle of October, causes us to believe a pullback is in the offing. Hence, we want to reiterate that the current levels offer an opportunity to rotate into our preferred income assets, such as multi-asset income strategies. That is all from me for today. As always, if you enjoy this podcast, please don't forget to rate and like it. Thanks for listening, and we wish you a happy day ahead.
Thank you for listening to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank. For more details on the latest market insights, subscribe to Standard Chartered Money Insights.